Welcome back. We're always keeping an eye on the AI agent store for powerful new systems.
We are, and the tools just keep getting better.
Today, we're looking at one that really stands out. It's called the One-Shot API. Perfect five-star rating.
Yeah, this one's interesting. It's listed as a crypto AI agent, but it's really a piece of core infrastructure.
Okay, so let's figure that out. What is this thing, and how exactly is it delivering on what it calls on-chain automation?
Right. So think of it as an automation layer. It takes all the complicated steps in a smart contract,
Uh-huh.
and it packages them up so any app or any AI can trigger them with just one simple call.
So that's the core function then. It lets an AI agent or a workflow um, read, write, and pay using a smart contract.
Exactly. And it does that through a managed wallet API.
Okay, that phrase managed wallet feels important. What friction is that actually solving for a developer?
Oh, it solves the biggest headache. It hides all the complexity. You don't have to worry about key custody or sequencing transactions or managing gas fees.
Or retries if something fails?
Right. It handles all of that. It gives you the security of on-chain action without needing your app to be a crypto expert every single time.
That makes sense. Now, I saw it has a 47% autonomy rating. That seems
Yeah.
specific. If it's just infrastructure, why are you rating it all?
Well, that rating reflects the automation it provides, not full autonomy. It's not thinking for itself. An external app still has to kick things off.
So the 47% is really about what happens after the trigger.
Precisely. Once you make that one API, call a single POST request, it guarantees the on-chain part happens automatically. It's a measure of execution reliability.
Got it. So who is this for? If you're listening, who is the ideal person to be building with this?
This is definitely for people building real production-level products. So crypto product managers, DeFi protocol builders.
The founders.
Founders, absolutely. Anyone who can't afford to have transactions, just, drop.
And what are the specific mechanisms that make it so robust? What makes it enterprise grade?
Well, beyond the managed wallets we talked about, it supports some really crucial standards, like the MetaMask delegation framework.
Okay.
But maybe the most important one is the BY 402 payments standard.
Right, I wanted to ask about that. That sounds like it's all about monetization.
It is. It's a standardized way to bill for services directly on the blockchain. It's huge.
And I saw you can connect it to tools like NENN or MakeWord. Those are low-code platforms, correct?
Exactly. So you can link a secure DeFi action to a simple traditional web workflow. It bridges the two worlds.
Let's talk about use cases then. What's the most surprising thing this enables?
Well, the obvious one is automating complex DeFi stuff. Swaps, lending, rebalancing a portfolio. That's a given.
But what's the killer feature?
I think the killer feature is using that BY 402 billing. You can monetize a private LLM, for example, or a bot.
How would that work?
You could require an automated on-chain payment before your model or your service does its thing. It's pay to play, but completely automated and on-chain.
That's a very clean model.
It is. And when you put it all together, what One-Shot is really providing is stability. It's the guardrails, the retries, the transaction tracking.
It's what turns a cool crypto script into a reliable enterprise-grade flow.
That's the perfect way to put it.
So if you're building a serious application or AI workflow that needs to reliably interact with the blockchain, this is the kind of system you need to be looking at. You can find more tools just like this one over at aiagentstore.ai.
Thanks for tuning in with us today. We really appreciate your time. And of course, any ratings you can leave help us a lot. I'll talk to you next time.